YouTube, welcome to the channel. This is a new channel and this is the first project for the channel. It's a 1994 C4 Corvette. Has about 157,000 miles on it. The car's in pretty good condition. It's set for 10 years before I got it in a garage, so the paint's not all that, the paint's pretty good. Has a few little cracks or little dings here and there. But the car runs, it's pretty straight. The interior's a little rough in it, where it's set in the garage and the windows are down, so I guess the constant change of climate cracked and dried out the leather. Some interior pieces are broken. When I first got the car, it ran, but it didn't run too great. Then the fuel pump went out on it, so I replaced the fuel pump. Then I found out I had 3 injectors that I guess were just stuck wide open. It was just dumping straight fuel in there, so the car was running really rich. I got those straight and the car runs pretty good. We'll pop the hood and start it up in just a second and look at the inside. But the plan for the car is just kind of get the interior back straight. I like to take out that tan interior and replace it with black if possible. Take a look at the inside right now. The car's, like I said, pretty clean, but as you can see, the seats are not that great a shape. They need some attention. The trunk area, I can get it to pop open here. It's got some stains back here. Got some carpet that's messed up, and I'm sorry about the glare from the sun. I also had some interior pieces that were broken and kind of just mended back together, as you can see on both sides and over there. I did replace these shocks for the back hatch to get the trunk lid to pop open. Pop the hood here for you. I did a little work under the hood. Like I said, I did some injector work, replaced 3 of them, and cleaned out pretty good under here. As you can see, it's pretty clean under there. I'll start it up just a second. Like I said, this is my first video on YouTube ever, so I apologize if it's kind of all over the place. Hopefully it'll get better as we go here for this project. We'll give it a start up here. All my gauges work. Having the trouble codes. Only problem as far as dash stuff goes is the Bose stereo. Turn it on, it plays for a little while, but it just sounds like crap. And my power antenna goes up, but it does not go all the way down. So, car runs, sounds pretty good. No smoke. So, like I said, the plan for it is basically leave the motor like it is for now. No upgrades there. Basically going to focus a lot on the inside, getting this tan carpet out of here. Maybe try to replace it with all black if I can find the parts and pieces. Paint some if I have to paint them. See how it goes from there. I hope y'all liked the video. Got any comments, leave them. And I guess like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.